Yeah, I'm John. I've been in the property industry for about a year.
And how have you found that year? What have you been up to?
Yeah, it's been pretty good actually, but I guess it's been a longer journey for me because I've started from nothing. I didn't know anything about property, and then obviously gone straight into rent to rent. I've got a rental social housing at the moment, which is making me over £1,000 every single month passively. Currently looking for a BRR as well. I saw some deals before as well, so yeah, that's what I've been doing.
Great. And a year ago, do you think you would have been able to have done anything?
No, actually, so looking back, because sometimes you just don't know how much you actually managed to achieve. But when you look back on your journey, I actually achieved quite a lot. I wouldn't have thought that every single month there would be passively over £1,000 coming into my account. And now I've got investors putting money into my deals as well, which helps me to get my first BRR or flip project. So.
And what would you say to someone who's like maybe in your position a year ago, like looking to start their journey?
Yeah, I would say it's definitely going to be quite daunting at the start, like because you've never done it before. You're going to have to step out of your comfort zone. The academy is great because you get to just network with so many people. Every Sunday I go and box with Samuel as well, go to church, and I've met lifetime friends here. So yeah, I would say if you're thinking about it and you're not sure, but you feel like property might be the thing, go to a crash course, experience that, and then make the decision yourself and try and speak to as many people as possible.